Sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee, the impartiality, the objectivity. Sana huwag kayo magbibigay ng opinion. Why did you choose, for example, Grice?
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your
I
opinion.
am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your opinion?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit ganon? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you so protective of the Diskayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba natin i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protecting of the Diskayas. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resolved. Session is resolved. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceedings.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Go ahead.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceeding. If you will not allow me to raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Go ahead. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay na po bang makapagbigay ko ng opening statement po?
Ipag-proceed kayo without hearing niya.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay bilang siguro ay maraming tanong mga nakakaraang mga araw upang mga profesional ng institusyon na aking nakasunod sa pagsulbot taon. Subalit, itong mga araw, ako po ay nakapag-isip-isip na tumulong na lamang po sa investigasyon na ito para po sa bayan. Narito po ako sa